inflatable dog pool ramp. What the hell is she buying now? Doesn't she know I'm not working? Shaggy, do you even give a shit? What have you two been doing? You're out in the pouring rain, are you? You sons of bitches. I am trying really hard to get these draft arms and dolly legs done. But I'm running out of steam and losing ambition. And quite frankly, my give a frack is broken. That's exactly when you crack another beer and say, let's put this bitch in high gear, boys. Those draft arms are fracked. They're pitted, scratched, pocked up. I'm done. Fuck it. I know you guys really don't care, but I mean, did you see my draft arms catastrophe? Been working on these legs for 2 hours and I don't like the results. It ain't like me to quit, but I'm just gonna acid the bitch. It's a sad day. Boston's on. I don't even give a shit, but I give up, boys. I'm 60 years old. What the frack am I doing? Nothing's flowing right. Nothing's blending right. Looks like dog shit. I've tried 3 different wheels, 3 different types of rouges. And, yeah. I'm just gonna be like those Billy Badass Harley homos and paint everything flat black. You won't hear this out of me very often, but I give up. I always knew you were a loser. And then this shit comes on and puts me in a worse mood. I can hear everybody now. Bruh! Needs to be sanded. Sand this bitch. What do you think, Shags? Well, I don't know what the hell is going on out here. Huh. Peterbilt's here. Let's spend some more fracking money. That was Jason, Hunter Peterbilt's best delivery guy. I just on the phone with Rich from Hunter Peterbilt, the world's greatest parts guy ever, and he said, yo, did Jason say anything? Today's his last day. He's moving on to a different job. I'm like, no, he never said a word. I love that kid. Could this day get any fucking worse? So I started the truck up to lift the trailer up a little higher and build air, and it's running and running and running and running and running, and I'm like, why is the air dryer not spit? Because this is unhooked, stupid. Well, boys, Billy Joel makes me want to choke on my own vomit, so I guess that's it for Friday. See you son of a bitches tomorrow.